In the world of computers, there are good guys who create networks that help us communicate, work with others, and get information. And then there are those not-so-good guys, for a variety of reasons, like to use their computers to worm their way into those networks and cause trouble. They're called hackers, and they'll routinely do things like steal secrets, obtain passwords, get credit card information, create so much traffic that a website has to shut down. Hackers are always at work, either trying to steal information for their own gain or disrupt business as usual. You hear a lot about hackers on the news now and then. But just what are they doing? Backdoor. A secret pathway a hacker uses to gain entry to a computer system. Buffer overflow. A method of attack where the hacker delivers malicious commands to a system by overrunning an application buffer. Denial of service attack. An attack designed to cripple the victim's system by preventing it from handling its normal traffic, usually by flooding it with false traffic. Phishing emails. Phishing emails are designed to get you to click a malicious link or divulge private information. Although phishing emails contain deceptive content intended to make you think the email is legitimate, there are normally telltale signs, such as typos or strange formatting, that signal the message is malicious. Remember, never click on any link you're not sure about. Spam emails are usually more annoying than dangerous, but they may try to get you to visit illegitimate websites that harbor malware. Deleting spam emails without opening them is one obvious solution, but are there also other, more proactive ways to avoid spam that keep your inbox cleaner and more secure? Root access. The highest level of access, and most desired by serious hackers, to a computer system, which can give them complete control over the system. Rootkit. A set of tools used by an intruder to expand and disguise his control of the system. Session hijacking. When a hacker is able to insert malicious data packets right into an actual data transmission over the internet connection. Trojan horse. A seemingly helpful program that tricks the computer user into opening it, only to deliver, unnoticed and behind the scenes, an unexpected attack on the user's computer. Fake websites. Like farming sites try to deceive you into entering your personal details or login credentials, which can then be used to hack your devices and accounts, or even steal your identity. Just as you wouldn't give your home address and credit card information to a stranger, you should never do so online, unless you're sure it's legit. Fake browser update scams are a cunning form of cyber attack that masquerades as legitimate browser update prompts. These scams are designed to deceive users into downloading or filelessly loading malware, which can then cause data theft, system damage, or other malicious outcomes. Advert hijacking. Advertisements that look real can actually hide malware, and even genuine ads can infect your computer or even hijack your webcam to spy on you. Since adware and malvertising can end up on legitimate websites and look just like the real thing, the best advice is simply not to click on any ads if you're suspicious. To find out more, Google the product or service featured in the ad instead. Fake software. Some fake software is just useless, and generally harmless, bloatware. But other fake downloads may be vehicles for spyware and ransomware used by hackers. One of the most dangerous and widespread types of fake software is known as scareware, which spreads through pop-up and banner ads. Scareware tries to make you think there's a problem with your computer, when in fact it's their program that contains a malware threat. Browser hijacking. Sometimes hackers drop malware into browsers to take users to websites used to capture critical information about them. The data could include user IDs, passwords, full names, addresses, social security numbers, and even answers to security questions, mother's maiden name, etc. Pirated software and cracked software. Pirated software can also slow down or damage your devices, causing costly repairs. Furthermore, it is common for cybercriminals to use pirated software to distribute malware, which can compromise your sensitive data and lead to costly attacks. USB drop attack. A USB malware cyber attack, also known as a USB drop attack, is a type of cyber attack where a USB drive is left in a public place with the intent of tricking someone into picking it up and plugging it into their computer. The USB drive is usually preloaded with malware. There is some other cyber attacks we will learn in the next session.